Let peace reign. Let peace water our land. Let peace reign. Let peace water our land and quench the thirst of the dry valleys, as it should be done beforehand, to unite all mustily. For peace we all craved, yet the silence which gets us doomed. Why should we let our inner peace get caged, when we got the power to bloom? So let peace reign, to quench the thirst of the dry valleys.
Peace is inside you. Wherever you go, peace goes with you. Yes, peace must reign to take us high in our society. Ninko kairo isabati. Watan kana nyo tinya, kana nyo tora. Na momo la nyanto diala. Al nga jamfa fitnola, na nyo mutabadin kelenti.
Peace is what every creature needs, because without peace, there would be no success, no joy, no love, no happiness between nations, countries, states, and societies. Suñ buggé jamma kon buñ ya halante, buñ toro halante ku nekk jox sa morom cër, nen tiyante comme doomi ndey ak baay.
Let peace reign. Peace Cairo, dunia la Cairo, banko la Cairo. Komobe la Cairo ntolbo Cairo le no purka sabatini. Banin lafta dunia ya dia, banko ya dia komo kana balang sako sakuya. Alnya Cairo sabatini nda malu tema, badi malu tema, ko isinyo malu tema, banko lu tema nga Cairo bula surunto na banko kan kosama surunto. Katum badia ni sinyo ya lentol sindi, badia ni sinyo ya lentol kafunduto nga kata nga diandi, nga tankandi fase tanka kata tol la mantoro ma. Katum tolla bada kono killing, bemba Adama.
So let peace reign, because with non-existence of peace, life is nothing. Have we not seen countries like Russia and Ukraine? They are suffering both day and night. The zoomings of the gunmen and the boom boom of the guns keep them restless, starving and dying. So let peace reign.
So let peace reign. Let it rain and float as an ozone. For I will never regret drowning in this ozone, because in it we can find harmony and joy. So let peace reign.
Let it rain. Let our homes be cool with the eternal breeze of peace. See, tribalism shouldn't be a barrier to peace, but rather it's a vehicle to transport our uniqueness despite the differences in language. Citizens cry for peace both day and night, because peace is the only medication for sustainable growth and development.
Let peace reign. Humans cannot achieve their goals without peace. Peace helps to set the orderliness and builds our communities. With peace, life safe and smooth, things will be perfectly done. When a war breaks out, everyone shout, peace, peace. Our dreams cannot be achieved without peace, so let peace reign.
If we want to live effectively and efficiently, we must live in peace. Let peace reign. The reigning of peace helps to conquer our difficult moments. If we want to have a rest of mind, there must be peace. So let peace reign.
Let it rain. Let peace be in our hearts. Let peace shine like a bright morning sun. Peace lies within you. When you search for peace, it is never hard to find. When we want peace to reign in our lives, we must let peace reign.
So let peace reign. Let it reign in our lives, our dreams, and into reality. For peace is the backbone of a nation. Kelo min keta dafo sereriyon anim bantala bankolto. Wo kelo man kunnon na Gambia sate o kono. Woto alin nga wuli fo Cairo se sabatin na sate o kono. So let peace reign.
Let it flow. Let's allow the water to swallow our needs with peace. Alinga si nga mira kati koni yaje mosi mayata alonko Kaira nijio wala kafinta nunkono. So let peace reign.
Let it rain because it is a must. Let it rain because it needs to rain.
Since it is a unique staff, a visitor to an earth of no alarm. Wise mermaids want to swim, humans want to be free. Then let peace reign.
Then let it rain. Let it drop. Let it be the brand of the country. Let it cure our deep wound. Cleanse our dirty hearts. Run into our sticky vein. Kujola kwani, sofora, lakora, umanjora munda wala pe okono. Tikataka fagilora, materage a fulo, a jola, a manjako, wala pe okono. Tikana mofa mamja fokilo, mungonu laka atokon.
Let peace reign. Peace is the blanket that covers the world with happiness. Without peace, we can live in oneness and harmony, nor be compassionate with one another. Peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of togetherness. So let peace reign for the continuous prosperous life till thy kingdom comes.